Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Oneida County, western Madison County, southeastern Cayuga County, northern Cortland County, southeastern Onondaga County until 2:30 p.m. At 11:32 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Rainfall totals of 2 to 3 inches will be enough to cause flash flooding, especially in urbanized and poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Utica, Rome, Sullivan, Oneida, Kirkland, Lenox.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seneca County, East Central Yates County, Cayuga County, Southwestern Onondaga County, North Central Tompkins County until 2:45 p.m. At 1:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kendaya, or 10 miles northeast of Penyan, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Aurora and Interlaken around 2:05 p.m. Nevada, Sheldrake and Killers around 2:10 p.m. Ledyard and King Ferry around 2:15 p.m. Venice Center around 2:20 p.m. Genoa and Scipio Center around 2:25 p.m. Cascade and Kosciuszko around 2:30 p.m. Owasco, Locke and Moravia around 2:35 p.m. Niles and Montville around 2:40 p.m. The National Weather Service strong thunderstorm near Kendaya or near Waterloo, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with...
There we go.
Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for southern Oneida County, north central Otsego County, Madison County, Cayuga County, northern Cortland County, southern Onondaga County until 5:30 p.m. At 2:31 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Onondaga, Syracuse, Utica, Rome, Delaware, Witt, Sullivan, Oneida, Kirkland, Lenox, and Pompey. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches is possible in the warned area. Flood waters are moving down Sequoia Creek and Owasco Inlet. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in New York: Seneca, southern Cayuga, and Yates. Strong thunderstorm here. Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Kendaya or near Waterloo, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Auburn, Seneca Falls, Waterloo, Romulus, Fayette, Senate, Fleming, Union Springs, Aurora, and Cayuga. The National Weather...
There it goes.
Thunderstorm now.
In Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County, southeastern Cayuga County, northern Cortland County, southeastern Onondaga County, northwestern Chenango County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Otisco, or 13 miles south of Syracuse, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tully and Lafayette around 2:40 p.m. Pompey, Fabius, and Waterville around 2:50 p.m. Cazenovia around 3 p.m. Nelson and Huronville around 3:05 p.m. Morrisville, Lebanon, and Pierceville around 3:10 p.m. Hamilton and Stockbridge around 3:15 p.m.
Let's see if it's going to be a doubleheader.
The National Weather
Guess
Service
not.
has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 388, effective until